Okay, so to follow up, the other day I showed you some socks I got from my bestie, and then I went to Dollar Tree today, and are you kidding me? Look at all the socks they've got. Top Ramen, they got a Betty Boop, they had Smurfs, mac and cheese, Sour Patch Kids, Reese's. Listen, friends, this is Crazy Pants. Look at Doritos. We don't eat this stuff, but we'll wear it on our feet, and we'll put it on our cups. Super good. Dippin' Dots, come on. I mean, stop it. Bubblicious. And here's the other thing. You've got to look through the stacks because sometimes they're hiding them. Anyways, friends. Okay, just so we recap, this is what I do with socks. I know people are like, why do you need that many socks? Well, let me tell you. I love having coffee. I love iced coffee. It makes me happy. Will I ever use these socks as socks? No, because I'm an extra fluffy chick and I don't like the tops. It's fine. Anyways, all we're going to do, you ready? This is so easy. We're just going to cut right across. Boop. Boop. That's fun. Stretch her out so that it rolls. See how it rolls so nice. There we go. And you just put this on your iced coffee and it doesn't make your hands sweat anymore. Isn't that fun? And it's adorable. All right, so you saw how we made little cup cozies the other day with these socks. And then, inevitably, you're going to ask, what do you do with the rest of the sock? Let me show you. First of all, socks come in pairs. So now you have a cozy for you and one for your friend. It's so fun. Anyways, here's the bottom part, right? These are the bottoms of the socks. Now, I suppose you could just wear them like this. I mean, you could just put these on your feet. That would be fine. But here comes my bestie again. She showed me something when the last time we were hanging out. She told me to put, because, okay, so I don't know if you have the same problem I do with your, okay, I have a Hey Dude, I have a Hey Dude obsession. But I hate the fact that I have to wear socks with them because I don't want to get the inside yucky and all of the things. And she's like, well, why don't you just put the sock on the insert? What? So here we go. Here's a pretty pair of Hey Dudes I got. These are a newer pair. But anyways, you're going to take your insert out. Here she is. And then, are you ready for this? You're going to be blown away. This is just Crazy Pants awesome. Then we're just going to put the sock on our insert. You could put it upside down because then you have that there. I don't mind this being here. You could flip it upside down. That would work too. Anyways. And just to show you, this is how I did the sock. If you didn't want that opening on the top and you wanted it on the bottom, you just flip your insole over, your insert over, and then put the sock on that way. And it works like a dream. Works like a dream. Then you could change the colors out and the patterns. And oh, it's so much fun. And now I can wear my Hey Dudes without any problems. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. And I hope this inspires you.